Mess around!
Hello everyone and welcome to Mess Around TV, and today we're going to be taking you on a messy fairy adventure. I'm Fairy Krissy and I have some beautiful butterflies with me today. I have Butterfly Bronwyn and Butterfly Heidi. Oh, look at those beautiful wings. We have some fantastic activities lined up today. We have Fairy Mud, which is a brand new activity we've never done before. We have Topsoil Garden. We have a Jelly Flood. We have Fairy Dust. Look at this, it's beautiful bottles. And we have Fairy Play-Doh. We've also got some really cool arts and crafts activities. We've got fairy houses, toadstools, wands, a castle, and some beautiful rocks. So let's get started with our first activity, which is gonna be the fairy mud. So this is the beautiful fairy mud down here. It's really cool. It's a brand new activity we've never tried before. I made it at home with the girls and we're gonna show you how to do it now. So what you're gonna need is some corn flour and this special ingredient, which is called vanilla flavour frosting. It tastes and smells beautiful. I'll give you a taste in a minute, girls. But you could get different colours of this. You can get the vanilla one, I think there's a strawberry one, and there's a chocolate one. So if you wanted to make chocolate fairy mud, you could have a go at that. But today I'm going to show you how to make a pink one, because I've got some pink food dye. So before we start, have a little lick. Mmm.
I need more.
Oh, mmm. Oh, it tastes lovely. It's like cake. Right, fingers off, girls, fingers off. Right, so you're gonna get a corn flour bowl, probably put about a cup in, and then I'm just gonna scoop out the, whoa, look at that, icing, the fairy frosting. Right, fingers off, please. Okay, and I'm gonna put a dash of pink food dye in. And when you mix this up, it goes a bit like a cloud dough consistency. So you can see here, it goes like a cloud dough consistency. It's really cool. We're doing the mixing today, Heidi, thank you. Right, so let's get mixing. Now, it does take a little bit of mixing to get in, so don't worry about that. It smells absolutely divine, doesn't it, girls?
Just the icing itself.
The icing, yeah. Keep mixing it. And keep going so it's like a crumbly texture which is mouldable. So it's pretty similar to making cloud dough, but it's just another way of making a different activity, and you can make it nice and pink. So I'm going to add some more pink dye in here because at the minute it's going like it's starting to go like that consistency. You just need to turn it pink. Pass me the pink one. Right, let's add a big dash.
I'm good at dashing.
Yeah, you're too good at dashing, madam.
I'm too good for everything.
Keep mixing it in until you get it nice and pink. It's starting to go pink now.
I really need
more. Right, yeah, you really need some more. Keep mixing. And then once you've mixed it all through, you could create your own little fairy garden. So we've got our tuff tray out today and we've created it into different sections. So we've got the fairy dough, the fairy mud in one part of the tray, which is here. And then we've added in some little tiny, these are gorgeous little glitter pots, which are like little fairy pots, into our garden. And then once you get it into the right consistency, you can see that it becomes mouldable, shapeable, and it smells lovely. So that's how you make your fairy mud. And now we're going to show you how to make the glitter ball, the fairy dust, which is really good fun. So what you're going to need for that one is a bottle. So we love making sensory bowls. Sensory bowls are really cool to make. So you're going to need a bottle, obviously with a screw top lid. You're going to need some water. I've got some glitter and some little sequins available here. And then you need this secret ingredient called glycerine. Okay, you can get this in the supermarket.
Can I keep that?
And first of all, what you need to do is add your water to your little bottle. Let's see if we can get it in without spilling it everywhere. Oh, we're not doing too bad.
Now
Fill it in about halfway. Then add a couple of drops of this magic stuff, which is really cool. It separates everything, so then the glitter and that doesn't stick. And then you add your glitter into the bottle. See how it sticks on top? Look at that. Glitter on top of the water. How cool is that? And then we add in the sparkles. So you can add the sparkles in so the kids can do this. Add your sparkles in. And then add some more water. So you fill it up to the top. Keep adding all the bits and pieces you want to put into your thing. And then you can just tape it down. Now you might want to super glue the lid down so it doesn't come off. Give it a shake and you've got your own sparkly fairy dust little bottle. So look, how cool is that, girls?
Cool.
Yeah.
I think it's cooler.
Do you want to hold that one? Do you want to hold that one and shake it?
Awesome.
So it's really, really simple to make and they're called little fairy dust. We love fairy dust. Other activities you could try out at home is a jelly flood. So we've got some jelly here that we made. Oh, I don't know if I can get it up. Oh, it's wibbly, it's wobbly. It's a jelly flood. So jelly's always a fun activity, especially for the babies. They love that one and they usually love eating everything. So that usually disappears. And you can create your own fairy Play-Doh. So this is our 4-minute Play-Doh recipe. We've made it nice and pink and then we've added lots of glitter and you can put your little sparkles and sequins in. And then this one here, we've got a beautiful little fairy who's just sitting there in her little Play-Doh thing. Play-Doh.
I thought it was going to be a pond first, but you actually said something else.
Play-Doh. So, those are 5 activities you could try for your messy fairy adventures. We've also got some fun arts and crafts one. Now, this is a brilliant one that you can make at home. You can either use a milk carton and create your own little doors and make your own little fairy houses. And we're going to have instructions on how to do that in our mess pack. And then Bronwyn made this really cool one, which was from some fabric conditioner bottle. She's put little windows on the back. She's put little stickers on. She's put lots of glitter in. And it's actually got Hello Sausage because Bronwyn loves sausage dogs. So it's got Hello Sausage on.
And a watering can.
And a little watering can. So those are really good fun to make. We also made these fantastic little fairy ones. All you need to do is go around the garden, collect some sticks, and we painted these. So they're a really good fun activity. Toadstools, because you can't have a fairy garden with no toadstools. And we also made this fun castle, which all you need is a paper plate, some toilet roll holders, and some cardboard. And I made these cool little what are they called? Crowns. We've got some crowns, haven't we? That we put on your head. And then the girls had fun painting rocks and glittering rocks. So these ones, we've got some really cool on here. A beautiful little fairy who's on that one. And we made these other fantastic glitter rocks, which are really good fun. And lots of fun can be taken part. The girls love painting rocks. So, if you've loved the messy fairy adventures today, there's lots of activities you could try at home. You'll be able to purchase our mess pack, our messy adventure mess pack today. It'll be available where you'll get all the instructions on how to make these 5 materials and instructions on how to make these fantastic arts and crafts activities. So we're going to give you a big fairy wave now and say goodbye, aren't we, girls? So we'll see you soon on our next mess around adventure. Come on, girls, flutter those wings and say goodbye. Bye for now. See you soon.
Bye. See you.